Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you the Savory dinner rolls recipe. These are buttery rolls with garlic, parsley and dill. They can be served with any kind of soup or enjoyed as a snack. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. To begin, let's combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 1/4 cup of warm water and stir the mixture slightly. Then incorporate 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Knead the dough until it forms a slightly sticky consistency. It shouldn't be too wet or too firm. Cover the dough and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After that, knead the dough again for a few minutes. Cover it once more and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. For the fillings, chop up a bunch of parsley and a bunch of dill. Additionally, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, and half teaspoon of salt, and stir everything together. Once the dough has rested for about 1 hour, carefully transfer it onto a floured surface. Roll the dough into a rectangle. Spread the butter mixture evenly. And then sprinkle the chopped parsley and dill over it. Roll up the dough and divide it into 12 small rolls. You can use a tray to count them. Transfer the rolls onto a baking sheet, cover and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Bake in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. My rolls are ready and they filled my house with the most incredible aroma. Let them cool down for about 20 minutes before serving, and enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.